Hey everyone, did you know there's a rapid response tax agent in Sydenham just around the corner? I mean, time is of the essence. Oops. Yeah, responsiveness is extremely prized. I mean, other than that, most accountants are created equal, right? Located in Sydenham, my tax guy actually caters for the local folks. We're focused on individual and business returns when most accountants only focus on business customers. Well, we don't. We do both and we do them well. Our staff have been accountants for up to 32 plus years, and every client speak with the owner of the practice directly, which is again very unusual. Usually, you end up, just talking to graduates and junior accountants, but we don't use those, so you get better refunds. Everyone's a senior accountant with tons of experience. Um, your individual return will not be forwarded to graduate or junior accountant, like I just said. That's what usually happens at places like H&R Block and others like them in Water Gardens as well. We don't get distracted by a bunch of other things like lending and financial planning and so on. Because of that, we are experts at finding you crafty, but legal deductions, maximizing the amount of money you get back from the ATO. We only do taxes, unlike our competitors. You'll see a lot of accountants doing everything for everyone, and therefore their level of customer service suffers. Their knowledge can be behind as well, and they lack the focus to assist their main customers, which are their tax clients, individual tax clients. There's simply not enough time to attend all the updates from the ATO and ensure everyone is trained accordingly on the team. That also makes us more cost effective, so you pay less. Also, some of them have large offices, our competitors. You never get to even meet the owner of the practice or the experienced tax agent there. It is not personal at all. It is difficult for the accountant to actually care for the client. Kind of hard to care for someone when you don't even know them. Not to mention a large office carries overheads that are then passed on to you. This makes your tax return unnecessarily expensive. It doesn't have to be that way at all. We got close to 100% retention with tax clients in Sydenham. Over the years, we've made an effort to only service local clients. Others have expanded to cover most of West Melbourne. We have not. We're only here and have remained small for that reason. That is why we're able to service our clients like no other. You can see dozens of 5-star reviews across Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, everywhere. At the time of writing this, we have well over 100 positive reviews online. All this has led us to having an almost 100% retention. Since we started, only 2 clients have left us, and to be honest, both were trying to do the wrong thing, and we terminated our arrangements with them. And you have to be proactive when you do tax planning so you get more tax benefits long term too. When most accountants only offer like a minor tax filing service, they do it in minutes. That means they only ask a few questions and only get you a few deductions that you could probably Google yourself if you think about it. Most accountants don't actually look at the big picture and suggest ways to save up fortunes in the next few years. They don't spend the time to analyze your personal situation to actually offer tailored advice. With the right tax structure, regular people could be saving so much more in the next few years. If only their accountant would mention these things to them. Well, we do. In fact, our founder became an accountant because his accountant was like yours and never mentioned really good tax planning structures, so he lost a lot of money over the years until he became an accountant himself decades ago. Now his mission in life is to ensure that no one else misses out ever. If you're looking for a tax agent in Sydenham itself, please contact us on the number on the screen there.